Is Shopper Thoughts really a great way to get paid to shop and share your opinion about it, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make some extra money online, and quite a few people have asked me about this platform. So in this Shopper Thoughts review, I will give you an inside look and will share my opinion and experiences with it, so you can decide for yourself if you should join this option or if you should use other options to earn some extra money online for free. So before I log inside and show you exactly how Shopper Thoughts works, let's talk about who can join. And first of all, you can join on the website and you can do the different activities it has on the website and earn that way, or you can use the app, so you can also easily get access on your phone, which is definitely great. However, you do need to be aware that it is not available worldwide. You can see on the platform it has some icons. It is for the UK and it also has a platform for Ireland, so you can just change between those, but those are currently the only ones that this specific version of Shopper Thoughts is available in. If you live in any other countries, I have a full playlist about different ways to earn in other countries. I will leave a link in the top corner, so check that out instead. But if you live in one of these countries, then let's take an inside look and see what it offers and if it's worth it. I am now logged into Shopper Thoughts and it has quite a few ways to earn, a few different options, and the main idea about it is that, as the name suggests, is that you share the thoughts about shopping. So you will not as such get paid to shop as you might think, but you will share your experiences about it by taking different service and participating in different other activities I will show you, and then you can potentially earn by doing that. And later I will also go over what you can then get your earnings out as, what kind of rewards it offers. But for now, let's just look over the main way to earn. You can come in and you can find some different service options. For example, here you can take a survey or you can take another survey. There you can see for this one you would earn 25 points. Usually for these shorter surveys you would earn, in general on service here, you would earn between 25 and 150 points, which is not a lot to be honest, but they're usually also quite short. Later I will explain what the points are worth and what you can use them for. But one great thing about the service you find here in general is that once you see them, you know that you will be able to complete them and get paid for them. So there's not a disqualification process as you can find on many other service sites where you very often will not qualify. So it pays a little bit lower, but you know that you will qualify for all the service that you see in here, which is definitely great. And that is like the main way to earn, but they also have a couple of other options. So let's talk about them next. So another option you can very clearly see on the dashboard is called Quick Polls, and that's just something that will take you like 1 second to reply. So you can just reply whatever and then save it. And you can see then I just get a new one I can do, and there's quite a few of those you can do. And then once you replied, you just get a new one, and there's quite a few of those. So you can just keep taking as many as you want to. You just need to be aware that you will not as such earn points for that. You will earn entries into a monthly draw, which I will talk about later, so you can figure out if that's even worth it. But as you can see, it's super easy. It takes a few seconds. And then there's one more way you potentially can earn here. At the top of the menu, there's something called Rooms, and there's right now 2, but this will change from time to time. And then you can go in and there's a certain topic that you can read about, and then you can share your opinion. And this is where you can interact with the community, as they call it. They try to create a community anyways. And then also by doing this, you will not as such earn, you will earn entries into this monthly draw. So again, if it's worth it or not really depends on how lucky you feel. You can say it can be interesting to participate in, but not really a great earning opportunity in my personal opinion. But before deciding if it's even worth to participate in, you of course need to know how you can get paid, what are the reward options, and what is monthly draw that I mentioned a few times. Is it even worth getting tickets for that? So let's just talk about that next. So whenever you do any activity, so whenever you take the surveys, you will earn these points that can be redeemed. You can see you can get Amazon vouchers, Marks and Spencer vouchers, or Tesco Club Card points, just to mention a few examples. But sometimes there can also be other options, but they in general do not offer to pay in cash. So that's very important to remember, that if you prefer getting paid in cash for taking paid service, then there are many other service sites that offer that, so then you should do that instead. And you will usually earn these 25 to 150 points, but you will need 1,000 points to be able to redeem your earnings, and that will be worth usually around £10. So getting 150 points for a survey, it's an okay rate, but if you get 25, it's quite low. But no matter what, you need to take quite a few surveys to be able to take your earnings out. And it's only when you take the actual surveys that you will get paid in points. For example, the quick polls, or for participating in these rooms, you will earn entries into your monthly draw. You will also earn entries into the monthly draw when you take a survey. For each survey, you'll get one entry. For each discussion participating in the discussion rooms there, or rooms in general, you'll get one entry. For answering a quick poll, you'll get one entry. And you can see that they have 6 lucky winners every month, and the top prize is 5,000 shopper points. So you can figure out that if 1,000 points is worth £10, then 5,000 would be worth £50. So it's a fairly decent reward, but not huge. I have definitely seen platforms giving a lot higher rewards for different contests like this, but there are also some runners up that will then get 1,000 points. So I would say it's nice reward they have, but you have to be lucky to get it. So I would say answering the polls or participating in these boards just for that chance, personally, I would prefer then focusing on doing different tasks on other platforms where I'm sure to win or to get paid, and not just to get a chance to potentially get paid. And it's not even that great a price compared to the prices you can find on other platforms if you're really lucky. But overall, decent payout options. Just a shame they do not offer to pay in cash, in my personal opinion. Overall, Shopper Thoughts is legit. It is a way to get paid to share your opinion about shopping, but that also means that the amount of surveys you can find on this platform are quite limited. There are not that many compared to many other platforms, but the ones you can find, you will qualify, so you will not get frustrated about not qualifying. But overall, I just do not think it really offers a lot of great opportunities. I think it can be an interesting extra service side just because the surveys are quite short, and the service you find on this platform you cannot really find on other platforms. But if you have to prioritize your time, then I would say there definitely are a lot better service sites where you can earn more, you can find a lot more service, and where you can also get paid in cash, and more flexible options in general if you prefer that. But as a little extra side, if you have the time for it, then it definitely can be site that you can sign up for, because it does pay, it is legit, and it also offers you to use your app, so you can easily do it on your phone if you prefer that. But if you want to use other service sites instead, that in my experience are more effective ways to earn and that offer more opportunities, I'll leave a link below so you can find a list of some great options in your country. And if this video helped you, then also just please make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time it's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.